Even though the corporation of the city of Panjim does state that the garbage from the city is being collected and dumped at the Taligaon plateau, Goa 365 has learned that the Panjim garbage is also being dumped at the proposed Bangini site at Old Goa during night time without being scientifically treated.
Meanwhile, Kumbarjo MLA Pandurang Madkaikar has warned of filing a police complaint against those trying to dump garbage at Bangini. In an attempt to verify whether the city garbage was being actually dumped at the Bangini site without being scientifically treated, Goa 365 witnessed that the garbage was indeed being dumped inside the quarry's Old Goa Bangini near the Kadamba Plateau. Huge flames of smoke were also noticed at the Bangini site where the dry garbage was being dumped in a hush-hush manner and set afire. It may be recalled that after a decision held between Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Minister for Urban Development Joachim Alemaw and Education Minister and Taligaon MLA Atanasio Monserrat on Saturday, it was decided to restart the city garbage collection, especially garbage from hotels and the municipal market. The development made the ruling panel at the CCP change their mind about submitting their resignations. But when Goa 365 asked Mayor Yatin Parekh over the phone about the city garbage being dumped at Bangini, he denied the CCP was dumping garbage at Bangini site and said that the city garbage was being collected and dumped at the Taligaon Plateau. The setting up of a garbage treatment plant at Bangini is being opposed by the Old Goa Village Panchayat along with the management of schools and a mutt in the locality. It is surprising to note that truckloads of garbage are being dumped at the site without being treated. When this information was conveyed to Kumbarjua MLA, Mr. Madkaikar said that he had opposed right from the beginning the ideas of the CCP setting up a garbage treatment plant at Bangini.
फोर्सेबली जर त्यांचा घालपाचो प्रयत्न जालो जाल्यार तांकां पंचायत ज्या तरेन पयलीं पासून सुरवाती ताचो अपोज केल्लो विरोध केल्लो त्याच भशेन फुडें चालू आसतलो. आतां म्हाका जे कळ्ळां की त्या प्रमाणे की जर ते तशा तशी जर गार्बेज बी हाडून घालता पणजेची जाल्यार ती सिरियस गजाल आसतली. जाल्यार आमी इमिजिएटली आयज किंवा फाल्यां पंचायत आनी हांव इन्स्पेक्शन करून जे कोण थंयसर गार्बेज हाडून घालता डंपिंग करता तेजेर इमिजिएटली पुलीस कंप्लेन करतले आनी तेजेर एक्शन घेतले. पूण खंयच्याच परिस्थितीन थंयसर आमी गार्बेज ही घालून दिवचा ना.
According to Goa University professor Nandakumar Kamath, the authorities were treating the garbage in an unscientific manner. He said that burning of the garbage at the Taligaon plateau emitted a lot of smoke in and around the university area.
आयज मेरेन गोवा सरकारान जो एक कन्सल्टंटांनी वांयगिणी फक्त कचरो उडोवपा खातीर न्हय कचऱ्याचेर आंतरराष्ट्रीय दर्जा प्रमाणे शास्त्रशुद्ध पद्दतीन प्रक्रिया करून सायंटिफिक वेस्ट डिस्पोजल इज वेल एस्टॅब्लिश्ड ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड. So we need to understand that this is not a job for people who claim to be solid waste management experts, but this is a job of professionals who need to be engaged in solid waste management, and solution is find a place which is environmentally suitable, educate the people not to litter, segregate the waste at the source, decentralize waste collection,